we're going to be covering 5 techniques you must know. You will learn rolls, polyrhythms, tremolo, double note, and alternating bass picking patterns. If you're serious about developing your fingerstyle technique as efficiently as possible, you can download the full practice package for this workout by visiting our Patreon page at the link below. In this video, I'll be covering an advanced fingerpicking pattern. This is a technique also known as rolls. Rolls are where you are plucking the strings in a consecutive order in order to create a rolling technique. And what happens is if you eventually increase the speed, it'll sound almost like you're plucking all the strings at the same time. However, they're still arpeggiated. So to demonstrate, we have the 6th string with the thumb, index with the 3rd string, the middle on the 2nd, and the ring on the 1st. And now if we were to pluck the thumb and the index right after, and then the index and then the middle, and the ring, that would be the motion of the rolling technique. So altogether it's So it's very important to do this very slow at first and build in increments. So again. So this can also be used in chords. This is a C chord. On the 5th string, I'm using the thumb now. D chord, 4th string with the thumb, and then G. In this lesson, we're going to cover an advanced finger-picking pattern. This is a 2/3 polyrhythm. So how it works is on the top 3 strings, we're going to pluck index, middle, and ring. And then on beat 1 of the index, we're going to pluck the thumb at the same time. Then we're going to pluck the thumb after hitting the 2nd string, and then the ring to complete the polyrhythm. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Separate. 1, 2, 3. Now with just the thumb. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and together. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Faster. 1, 2, and 3. This lesson is going to cover an advanced finger picking pattern. In this case, we're going to be using a tremolo picking technique, which is going to be using 2 separate fingers on the same string. So if we were to take the 6th string and pluck it open, and then with our index, we're going to put it on the 1st string, E. And then our middle is going to go onto the 1st string again, right after it. So altogether that's thumb, index, middle, thumb, I, M, P, I, M. So now you can move the thumb to the 5th string, I and M on the 1st again. Back on the 5th. So the additional finger you can add is the ring finger. And to do this, you would have to pluck the thumb on the 6. And then now we're going to use the index, middle, and ring on the first string. So altogether that's thumb, I, M, A. This lesson is going to cover an intermediate finger picking pattern. Now we're going to be doubling each string with a single finger. So in this case we're going to use I on the 3rd string, M on the 2nd string, and A on the 1st string. So altogether that's I, M, Now we can also add our thumb to the 6th string, so we'll do that with the index now. Middle, ring. Then the 5th string. And then the 4th string. And the 5th string. Okay, so now let's add some chords. We're going to add a G chord with the left hand. C chord, 5th string with the thumb. Then a D chord. Now we're going to go back to the C chord, thumb on the 5th string again. So altogether that's In this lesson we're going to be covering the 2nd intermediate finger picking pattern. This one will be using the 6th, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st strings. We're going to start with our thumb on the 6th string, our index on the 3rd, middle on the 2nd, index on the 3rd, and ring on the 1st. So P, I, M, I, A. P, I, M, I, A. And then you can go to the 5th string with the thumb. And then the 4th string with the thumb. Okay, so let's put it all together. 6th string, thumb. 5th string, thumb. 4th string, thumb. So after you hit the 1st string with the ring finger, you can go back to the index and middle on the 3rd and 2nd strings for another pattern. So again, that would be thumb, index, middle, index, ring, index, middle, index. The 5th string.
you're serious about developing your fingerstyle technique as efficiently as possible, you can download the full practice package for this workout by visiting our Patreon page at the link below.